Welcome to HA Floor, where we will take you through the process of cutting, slotting, and underlayer covering our SPC flooring. First, let's take a look at the cutting process. Our advanced cutting equipment enables us to cut SPC flooring into various sizes with high precision. This ensures that every product is uniform in size and appearance. Next, we move on to the slotting process. We use specialized equipment to slot our products according to specific customer needs. High-speed rotating saw blades are used to create slots with precise sizes and shapes. Finally, we come to the underlayer covering process. We use high-quality protective films to cover and protect the product's surface, ensuring that the product maintains its glossy finish and smoothness. Automated equipment is used to apply the protective film uniformly to each product, resulting in a consistent appearance. Our SPC flooring products undergo several processing stages, including cutting, slotting, and film covering, to meet our high standards and customers' requirements. Thank you for watching our video. If you are interested in our products, please don't hesitate to contact us.